Hey everyone, and welcome to my walkthrough of my new math game. Before we actually get to the game, let's start off with the rules. The rules are very simple for this game. All you have to do is listen to the paper, have a paper and pencil with you, and always start in my room. That simple. Let's go to the first question. This question is multiple choice. You have to answer for n. 6n plus 13 equals the same as 8n plus 7. You got 20 seconds to answer for n. Good luck. Here we have the possible numbers it could be. 4, if you pick 4, go to the kitchen. 3, pick 3, go to the family room. And 2, pick 2, go to the bathroom. The correct answer is 3, but just to show you what happens when you get it wrong, let's go to the kitchen to see number 4. We're at the kitchen. Let's open up the envelope. So, there's 2 possible challenges you'll get, either physical or mental. Here we have the mental challenge in the kitchen. Here, this is what we have. First it says, you got the answer wrong. Of course we did. And so, your challenge is to answer all 3 questions in 90 seconds, no paper or anything. If you get 1 question wrong or more, you have to do 20 sit-ups and go back to your area. Here are the 3 questions. 63 times y equals 1,134. 367 plus x equals 432. Figure out for x and figure out for y. The final question is 222 divided by x equals 37. Figure out for x. I did the math myself, and here are the answers to all the questions. For the first question, 63 times y equals 1134. Y is 18. For the second question, it's 65. 367 plus 65 equals 432. And the last one is 222 divided by 6 equals 37. Now, let's go back to the area and let me show you a physical challenge. Here we are back at the starting area. We've already marked the kitchen off our list. So now, let's head to the washroom so I can show you the first physical challenge. Here we have the washroom envelope. Let me open it up and let's see what's inside. Here we have, of course, you have answered the question wrong. Your challenge is to do 20 sit-ups, 10 push-ups, 10 burpees, and 35 jumping jacks. After that, head back to your area and try the answer again. So now we've marked off 2 and 4 off the list. Only thing we have left is 3, so let's go to the family room. Here we are in the family room. Let's open up the envelope and let's see what's inside. Okay, so for the second question, we have another algebra question. Since this one is so long, you get double your time, so 40 seconds. And you also get a paper and a pencil that you should be carrying along with you based on the rules. So, this algebra question is 173 n minus 127 equals 100n minus 850. Figure out for n. These are the 3 possible answers. Either if the answer is 12, go to the front door. If the answer is 13, go to the backyard. If the answer is 15, go to the basement. True answer is 12, so we will be going to the front door. But before we do that, just let me show. This will just be a little quick show of what you'll have to do in 13 and 15. We had to bring it inside because it's a little dark out, and this is what the challenge you'll have to do. For the backyard, you can't really see it because of the light, but it says you have to do 70 jumping jacks. While I head to the next question, let me just tell you, I'm not going to be going through the basement and tell you everything because we're almost running out of time. But it was basically you have to answer 3 riddles, and if you don't, you have to do a physical challenge, 10 push-ups. Since the answer was 12, we had to go to the front door. I've already opened up the envelope. Let's see what's inside. This one was a movie question, so you have to watch The Hobbit to actually get it, or this part of the movie. In It is. Who asked the question in the famous movie The Hobbit, of course? What is in my pocket? Was it Gollum? Was it Smeagol the dragon? Or was it Bilbo? The correct answer was Bilbo, so let's head back up to my room and we'll finish it there. Alright, here we have the finish, the end. Here we go. What's inside it? Congrats, you won. That's it, you've completed my game. And before we close stuff off, we have I think we have about 30 seconds left. Let me show you all the things you would have got if you got it wrong, the challenges you would have to do. Now, while I head over, I'd like to apologize for the envelopes being a little broken. This was my second time doing it. The first time was a test run. So I like to apologize for my heavy breathing. I've been like running around the house trying to find all these envelopes. So very quickly before I close stuff off, it's wrong. Answer this question and head back to your area. Very simple. It's an integer / algebra question. 7 plus x equals 8 plus minus 8. The answer for x is -7, and the answer to all of it is 0. Alright, so there's just one more last thing I have to show you before we close stuff off.